Jimmy in here, the neurology acupuncture specialist, coming to you with another daily power tips. And today's Wednesday, so today we're going to talk about Wisdom Wednesday. So I just Googled, I just wrote wisdom quotes, and this one popped up because it actually, I think it fits perfectly to what's going on with COVID, and also, with everybody's trying to change and achieve their goals. And so this quote basically says, and it didn't write who wrote it, but I thought it was pretty cool. So every next level of your life will demand a different you. So what I was writing was that, in order to achieve your goal, you can't be the same person that you are right now. We've been told that, we need to stay true to ourselves in order to achieve our goals. But that's actually the recipe to failure. You can't stay who you are, because who you are got you to where you are right now. But it's not going to get you to the next level of your life. Now, this is assuming you want a next level in your life. If you want to stay the same, if you want your life to stay the same and don't change, then obviously you don't need to do any of this. You don't need to change. If you like what you have, then it's okay. If you like where your health is at, then you don't need to change, right? You can still do the same things. Now, but if you're not satisfied with where your health is at, you want to take your health to the next level, then it will demand a different you. A different you means different mindset, different thinking process, different way of eating, different way of exercising, different way of sleeping, different way of your lifestyle, your habits, stress level, how you de-stress, different relationships. It will require different you with different relationships. So if you want the next level health in your life, it will demand a different you. And so that's the key. That's the key to everything. If you want a next level in your career, it demands a different you, because you need to pick up new skills, right? You can't expect to have a different next level in your life, a upgraded level in your career, if you just maintain the same skills. That's what we see a lot these days is, people sticking with their same skills and trying to move up to the next level. It's not going to happen. You need new skills in order to move up. You need a new you. If you keep on sticking with the old you, you're going to stay exactly where you are. Now again, this is for people who want to move to the next level. If they want to move to the next level in their career, to their relationships, just think about relationships, right? If you want to, let's say you're chasing a girl. My mentor likes to use dating analogies. And so he was like, let's say you're chasing a girl or chasing a guy. Well, if you want a specific person and you think that person's outside of your reach or outside of your, level, then you can't stay the same. You gotta have a different you. You gotta get some courage, right? You need to get some courage to take yourself up to the next level so that you can date that person, that guy or girl that you think is out of your league. Because if you think you are at this level and you think the person you want is at this level, you got to move yourself up here to match this level, right? That's you here and you here are completely two different people, right? Now, it's not saying your values are different. Actually, your values could change. Actually, I would just say yes, it demands a different you. You need a different you, right? So whether it's dating, whether it's relationships, whether it's your job, whether it's finances, whether it's health, we at Achieve Integrative Health, we focus on helping people achieve their next level health, and we give them the tools to do that, because we practice the Emperor's Medicine, which is a restorative medicine, where we focus on helping our patients restore their organ function and then teach them what to do to maintain and continuously restore that organ function so that they can reach the next level health. So if you're not happy with your health and you want to take it to the next level, another example is like I play tennis. So if I'm not happy with the way I'm performing in tennis, I need a different tennis player in me. I need to increase my skills. I need to increase my serve. I need to increase my mindset, because tennis is 60% mindset. I need to change. I need to improve my skill sets. Right? I can't keep using the same skills and the same strategies and expect I'm going to reach the next level in my tennis, right? And beat people that are at a higher level than me. It ain't gonna happen. So regardless of anything in your life, you wanted the next level, you need a different you. All right, guys, hopefully this was beneficial. Tag someone who needs this message and like this post and comment. Hey, if you want me to talk about something else, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just going to be doing random stuff that's just happening in my life, in my personal life, or in our clinic. All right, guys, Jimmy Yen from Achieve Integrative Health, practicing restorative medicine. And as always, remember, everything in life is achievable, but it's up to us to make it happen. It's hump day. You still got a couple more days to start achieving your goals.